so boring. All it is machines.
Actually, manufacturing is so much more than just machines. There are many businesses, even around here, that offer jobs in manufacturing without machines.
Really? I doubt manufacturing has a single cool job.
Meet Ravona's Pretzels. Located in the heart of Hanover, Ravona's Pretzels is a local favorite. Ravona's puts a fun twist on manufacturing by making all their pretzels by hand. Whether it be the sourdough pretzels, the pretzel breaks, or the original soft pretzel, Ravona's Pretzels will be sure to satisfy your taste buds.
Ravona started as a company way back in 1960 when Greenholz changed its name to Ravona. Then in 2000, Snyder's Oats were growing and an owner of Snyder's actually bought Ravona. In 2004, Mr. Biospot purchased Ravona and became the new owner.
While this company has evolved, one factor still remains the same.
Well, we were started almost 80 years ago making pretzels by hand, and we've not changed our style. We continue to resist automation and make everything by hand.
Here at Ravona, we do all handmade pretzels. We put a lot of time, a lot of quality into the pretzels, and I feel that's why they're better.
Here at Ravona, we continue to make each pretzel by hand, which causes our taste to stand out from the competition. Most of our competitors do the same process by machines, but that doesn't result in the same taste outcome that we produce. We are like a huge family here at Ravona, and we do all our jobs with love.
We take pride in hand-rolling all of our pretzels. We do it with love.
This homemade process comes together to make the prized pretzel that Hanover has come to know and love.
We are proud of the way we produce our pretzels by hand. Seeing the whole process come together without machines is something you can't get anywhere else. We wouldn't be the same company if we did use automation, and it's important to keep the idea alive that manufacturing can be more than machines.
Handmade Ravona pretzels, made from the heart.